In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image zoom hover effect on Wix. To get started, open your website in the Wix Editor. This is where you will make all the changes for the hover effect. And it's the best place to see exactly how your design will look as you build it. Once your site is open, look over to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. From there, go into the box section and choose any hover box. The specific style doesn't matter too much at this stage because you can customize it to fit the look you want. After adding the hover box to your page, the next thing you will want to do is clean it up. Most hover boxes come with default elements like text, shapes, or vector art already inside them. Click on the hover box, switch to the regular tab, and delete anything you don't want to keep. This gives you a blank starting point and makes it much easier to create a clean image-based effect without distractions. Now it's time to add your photo. Click on the empty box, make sure you are in regular mode and then select Change Image. Upload the image you want to use for the effect. Try to choose a high-quality photo so the zoom looks smooth and professional. If your image is too small or low resolution, the effect may not look as sharp when it expands. Once your image is in place, you can set up the actual zoom hover effect. At the top of the floating menu, switch from the regular tab to the hover tab. Then click Choose Effect. Wix gives you different animation styles here. But for a zoom effect, select Grow, which may also appear as Expand, depending on the editor version you are using. After selecting the effect, click Customize. This is where you can fine-tune how strong the zoom appears. You can adjust the intensity so the movement feels subtle or more dramatic. Depending on your design style, you can also choose the origin point, such as the center or a corner. The center usually creates a balanced, clean zoom, while a corner origin can give the effect a more dynamic feel. When everything looks good, click Preview in the top right corner to test the interaction. Move your cursor over the image and check how the zoom feels in real time. If needed, go back and make small adjustments until it looks just right. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.